In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the advanced color selector in Krita for code-based colors. We'll start by opening Krita. Once your workspace loads, look up to the top menu bar. Click Settings, then hover over Dockers and enable Advanced Color Selector. Dockers are the movable panels around your canvas that hold tools and options, and this one is dedicated to precise color control. When it turns on, you'll see a color panel appear, usually docked on the right. If it opens as a floating window, just drag it toward the edge of the interface until you see a highlight, then release to dock it. If you already see the panel, you're all set. Next, make sure the color you pick becomes the active painting color. In the upper left area of the interface, click the Select a Color tool so Krita knows to use whatever you choose in the color panel. Now focus on the advanced color selector itself. Alongside the hue ring and the square that controls saturation and value, there's a field for entering codes, often labeled code or code names. Click into that box and type the color you need. You can paste a hex value like number 1E90FF, use RGB if that's your workflow, or enter a recognized name when supported. As soon as the entry is valid, the selector updates and your active color changes immediately. You'll notice the foreground color swatch updates right away, and the hue ring snaps to the correct position. That visual feedback confirms Krita recognized your code. If the color doesn't change, double-check the format. Include the number sign for hex values, avoid spaces, and make sure there are 6 hexadecimal characters. Uppercase or lowercase letters both work, and you can copy and paste directly from style guides or design specs. This approach is perfect when you need exact matches for branding, UI mockups, or any workflow where consistency matters. You can still fine-tune visually by dragging on the hue ring or the saturation value square. The code field and the selector stay in sync as you adjust. At this point, you're done. Your chosen color is now active, so any brushstroke, fill, or shape you create will use it until you choose another one. The advanced color selector will remain available throughout your session, and if you ever hide it by accident, just return to Settings, Dockers, and turn Advanced Color Selector back on. That's all you need to set precise colors in Krita using codes. Simple, accurate, and fast.